I'm Dr. Tuttle. I am the director of the Honors Program and of the Liberal Arts Humanities major. My favorite class to teach is probably U.S. Women's History. That is mostly directly connected to my background in women's and gender studies, and it's always a fun class because sadly we don't know very much women's history. We don't get that kind of preparation in high school. We are getting better, but it hasn't worked its way into the textbooks in a comprehensive way yet, so that's a fun class. What I am most passionate about, what excites me the most about what I teach here is that I really do get to make those interdisciplinary connections that's possible with the liberal arts humanities degree. My own doctorate is in humanities, and it is that kind of combination of literature, women's and gender studies, and a little bit of an exploration about women's spiritual experiences. So I love that we have a program here that allows students to combine their areas of interest within the larger field of humanities and put together a program that really is tailored to their passions and curiosities. The Honors Program is now in its third year, so it's still relatively new. I founded it my second year here. This is my fourth year at St. Catherine College. And I had incredible support from the entire academic community, so I need to give credit to the many people who worked with me on that. But we are excited about it. It's growing. I have a new crop of 6 freshmen who are starting on Monday, and that puts us up to a total of 17 students so far, which doesn't sound like many, but proportionally, given our size, is an appropriate amount. This had been something that the deans had been discussing for some time before I got here, but in a conversation I was having with one of them, they learned of my previous work with the honors programs at Indiana State University, and I taught for the honors program up at Ball State. So at Indiana State, I was the assistant to the director of the honors program there and had a really wonderful experience and gained a lot of knowledge. But also, I'm just passionate about honors programs because I was in the honors program at Ball State in my undergrad, and if I had not been, I don't know what I would be doing now, but I wouldn't be a professor, which is, in my opinion, the best job in the world. So the honors program for me was really transformative and liberatory in a way that I think liberal arts education is supposed to be. And so I'm very passionate about that, and I want to give that kind of experience to our students here at St. Catherine.